Welcome to the Library Starter Kit, your guide to the library services and facilities offered by the Nelson Mandela University Library. First of all, we will look at the contents covered. Library access and bookings and the special COVID arrangements. Library membership. Library facilities, library website, library tutorials, Shortline and study collection, social media platforms, library training. Library access and bookings, special COVID arrangements. Currently, only 50 staff members and students are allowed to occupy the library at the same time. The library booking system can also be utilized to make bookings for library access. The library booking system can be accessed via the library website. If you click on the library website, you will find the library booking system at the top of the homepage of the library website. Library membership. Student cards are compulsory for library access and the use of all library facilities. Student barcodes will automatically be activated on the student cards. First-year students and new students don't need to register at the library again. Please verify your personal details at the library when you take out books. Now we will look at the borrowing rights. First year to third year students can take out 10 books for 14 days. Library books may be renewed via phone or via email. Library books can be renewed twice unless another user has booked the item. Students will be held responsible for any lost or damaged books issued out on their name. If items are more than 1 month overdue, items will be billed against the student's record. The replacement cost will be charged per book and an additional R100 per book administration fee will be added, which is not refundable. The following overdue charge will be charged for books returned late. For open shelf books, it will be R1 per item per day. Library facilities. The Nelson Mandela University Library offers the following on-campus facilities: Wi-Fi, printers, special needs section equipped with magnifiers, ZoomText software, scanners and printers, special keyboards with large icons, a self-check unit to check out your own library books, which is only available at South Campus Library. Now we will move on to the library website. If you click on the link to access the library website, you will find the library website where you can access quite a few links to get to the information that you need. Click on the menu bar to view the drop-down list with links to detailed Nelson Mandela University Library information and services. Click on the links in the drop-down list to retrieve general library information, contact details, services, and facilities. Click on Training Sessions to view the online training program for all the Nelson Mandela University Library branches. Training programs are updated every term. Please take note of the following important quick links on the library website: Classic Catalogue, Find Plus, Library Guide. First of all, we will look at Find Plus. You can search for multiple library resources like books, ebooks, and online journal articles all at the same time by consulting Find Plus. Click on the Classic Catalogue to find the call numbers of open shelf books, Shortline, and study collection books. The online library guide provides comprehensive information about all the services offered at the Nelson Mandela University Library. Library tutorials. Now we are back on the library homepage. If you click on the Library on Island icon, you can access library tutorials on how to find information for your assignment. Type in your login details. The login details are the same details that you use when you log into the university network. Click on Log In. Click on Guides, Tutorials to find the list of tutorials available. Click on any of the links to download the information. You can also save the tutorials. Now we will move on to the Shortline study collection. Shortline books are located at the circulation desk of the library. It is identified by the red dot on the spine. Lecturers place books that are likely to be in high demand in the Shortline section. Currently, due to special COVID arrangements, Shortline books are issued for 3 days, but under normal circumstances, it would be issued for 1 hour at a time. COVID overdue charges will be R3 per item per day after the 3rd day, and normal overdue charges will be R1 per item per hour after the 3rd day. The study collection section. This collection is also kept behind the library circulation desk. Study collection books are identified by the yellow dot on the spine, and study collection books may be borrowed for 3 days. This collection may not be renewed or reserved. Overdue charges will include R3 per item per day after the 3rd day. Now I will show you where to find the call numbers of the Shortline study collection books on the library website. If you click on Classic Catalogue, you will find the call numbers of the Shortline study collection books. This is the home page of the Classic Catalog, and in the left-hand corner you will see the course code or module code or lecturer option. You can type in the necessary details and you can click on submit. So here you would type in either the lecturer name or the course code or course name. Now you will find a detailed list of Shortline and study collection books under the lecturer's name. The following information is necessary to find a Shortline study collection book on the shelf. So you need the lecturer's name and also the call number of the book. This is the course code, the course name, and it will show you the Shortline study collection books that are available. In this case, this is a Shortline book, and you will find the call number of the book here. And it also shows availability. Social media platforms. We have 3 social media platforms where we advertise a lot of library information, training, and just anything that you need to know about the library. The platforms are Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Library training. Please attend online library training sessions via MS Teams. The full training program will be communicated on all the library social media platforms and also on the library website. Face-to-face sessions for smaller groups will also be offered at the Nelson Mandela University Library at a later stage. Bookings will be essential for all the face-to-face sessions. The training program will focus on the following topics: how to apply keywords to your search strategy, how to create your library pin, how to find journal articles in databases like EBSCOhost and Sabinet, how to find information in Google Scholar, how to find books in FindPlus and the Classic Catalog, how to find ebooks in FindPlus, Classic Catalog, and EBSCOhost, how to apply reference styles to your references in your assignment. Thank you.